So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add effects to a video here on VN Video Editor. So if I were to go ahead and play my video right here and you wanted to add maybe like a special effect between something, go to the bottom to where it says FX with the star icon. Then once you're here, you can add a bunch of different effects right here. So if you wanted to add, a different spin, or if you wanted to add different options right here, like there's different options, you can add this, do what you got to do. Let's say this looks good to you. I'll press the check mark right here. This time if I were to go ahead and play my video, the effects that I just added will be in play. And if you want to add it to a different part, press effects like this. You can play around with a bunch of different effects here. So if you wanted to add like a split, or if you wanted to add, this, whatever the case may be, and play the video again, the effects that you just added are now present in the video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add effects to a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.